Papyrus dashboard. This is the view which you will see after you signed up. Now we don't have any products yet. This is why there is only the Add Product button shown down here. Let me show you how to check whether you have sufficient balance to use the system. So when you click on Wallet, you can see that now we have 10 ZEM in this account. After setting up a new account, your balance would be probably 0 ZEMs. You can top up ZEM into your wallet using any NEM wallet application. And if you have your account freshly registered and verified with us, we will send you 10 ZEM to start playing around with the system. Let's create our first product. I go to Products. Then there is a list of 0 products. So I go Add Product, and I can add a product name. Let's today tag my Apple AirPods. Now it's version 1, the old ones. Actually, why don't I put this version as a field name, version 1. The serial number is FTQQXA112. So now actually I can save this input as a template. So later I don't need to create field names and field contents anymore again. Save a template. I call this earphones template. And then I can finish creating my product. I might want to remove the empty field first. And actually, guys, let me insert a photo. Insert photo, upload, and I drag my picture into here. And now let's finish it. At this moment, we already have one product in the product. This is the products view in the web application of Papyrus. Let me click here to open the Apple AirPods product. Please remember that this is a unique product with its unique serial number and its universally unique ID, represented with this QR code in the lower right. Further, we have the private key in the upper right. This private key can be scanned with the Luxtag mobile app to claim the ownership over this product. Please understand that this view on the web application is the manufacturer's view. In the mobile app, we would represent the customer, the buyer who purchases the product. And when we scroll down here, we see that now there is no data available about claim of ownerships of this product. Let me claim by scanning the private key with my mobile phone Luxtag app, and then we will see that this claim transaction happened down here. So I now finished claiming the Apple AirPods using my Luxtag mobile app on the iPhone. I now see that this product is claimed. I scroll down and I see the claim transaction which happened. Further, I can see in this tab claimed that the product is there. We don't have any unclaimed products. And I can tag this one, then purchase NFC to get a delivery of a pre-programmed NFC sticker from Luxtag to you. Or you can use these QR codes to tag it yourself via Save Image As with the unique identifier for verification of this product or the private key for claiming ownership. At this moment, this one product has its private key deactivated because it is already claimed by a purchaser.